why should we centralize all reviews on zipBoard? Um, Really, the essence of bringing things on zipBoard is to get everything in one secure store. We want, and this is how we have helped companies get their document management in one place, whether they're working on videos, whether they're working on actual PDF documents or images. They shouldn't have to struggle with finding the right version, finding the right person to share with, how do they share it with. So either you can use our own management system or sync your existing server or document management system with our store. That makes it one secure place to have all your documents. Second, of course, it gives you an opportunity to create efficient and automated workflows. If your workflows are integrated, if your document review and your ERP is all connected, and then your issue tracking, and then your project management, you can actually flow from one app to another easily, and your communication is not broken. And third is contextual collaboration. In this day and age, obviously, given that we are all remote, we want more context, all the more, right? We cannot point fingers and say, okay, this is where I'm talking about. There are very specific places where you want to give feedback, and having to explain it outside of the document becomes quite a pain. So getting that contextual collaboration right in the document makes it easy as well to give quicker reviews. Uh, Quite honestly, the whole evidence of this is the fact that the chaotic processes are costing the business. We have seen it firsthand with ourselves, with my team, but I've also seen it with larger teams and companies still struggling with those processes. This is not how my desktop looks, but this is how it can end up looking like if it is a chaotic process, right? Um, it's a constant rework that you're doing. You're not able to catch mistakes early enough. You're working, if you do not even hand on the exact version that you should have your hand on, you could be redoing a lot of the work that you would be doing, leading to subsequent project delays. So, you would not end up starting or completing in time. Payment delays, of course, especially in case of agencies which are very dependent on deliverables, documents as deliverables, or any subsequent deliverables that are dependent on those documents. For example, construction, even in marketing teams, even if you're building, even for a sales collateral. So you want to make sure that you get paid on time, and disconnected information, like not everybody having the same truth, the same source of which document to access, where to access, and what is the relevant information in that document, and what are the comments and thoughts of other people who are involved. So all of that, if that is disconnected, a lot of time first of all goes in just finding that information, and then it just creates um, a lot of alignment issues as well.